Alright guys, I'm going to test my DIY system for fire detection and alarm system. This is powered by Arduino Uno, and this system has 12 zones, but right now I have only three devices, input devices: the heat detector, smoke detector, and the manual push button or manual push station. And this is only connected in one zone. So what I did is I just put a trimmer here. This is just to simulate the current in the loop of a zone, the other zone, just to simulate the functionality. Now the function of this system is when there is a fire detection either of the zones or even in both zones, it will send SMS to the uh, number which has been included in the program. So there is also an LCD display that would display the status of the system, like if there is an alarm, fire alarm, or fault in the uh, zone, it will display here. Now there is also one button here for reset. So that the point is, if there is an alarm, whether it is a fire alarm or a fault alarm, it wouldn't be reset for as long as the alarm or the faults situation is standing. So it has to be corrected first and then push the reset button. And then we have here three relays. So the purpose of this is there is a changeover or power changeover relay that would switch the power source from main supply to battery, just in case if there is a problem in the main supply which is coming from the utility, and then the backup battery will take over through this relay. And the other relay is for the sounder. When there is a fire alarm, the sounder will generate sound at the same time, flash the beacon. And the other relay is for the battery charging. Let's say if there is a battery fault, it means that battery voltage is not sufficient. So this relay will uh, make the battery to charge. All right, and then once the battery is fully charged, it will be energized. Okay, let us try to test our system. Now this is the our operating display, normal operating display. Those names there are the names of the students that which they requested me to do this project for them. All right, so this is the operating display, means that if everything is normal, this is the display in the LCD. Okay, now we'll try to simulate here the push button first. Then the expectation is once I push the push button, this is connected to zone 2. So zone 2 fire alarm will display here. At the same time, I will be receiving message that zone 2 is having a fire alarm or something like that. Okay, I'll try to push it. By the way, the sounder is not connected yet to the relay because it's too loud. And then only we can see there is a green lead here. Here there is a green lead here. It will lit once the fire alarm is detected. All right. So I'll push it. Oh yeah. So see the green lead. Now I'm receiving a series of text message alarm at zone 2. So as you can see here also in the display, fire at zone 2. All right. So it will be constantly sending message for as long as there is a signal on our SIM card module, and also there is a load balance. This is constantly sending message just to alarm the concerned personnel to check whether is this really a true fire or just a false alarm. So for as long as the alarm situation or alarm status is standing, it will have constant SMS. We'll try to reset it here, but expectedly it won't be vanished in the LCD because the alarm is standing there. Alright, you just try to press the reset button. So nothing happened. Nothing happened. And then, so nothing happened. We will now reset the push button here. Okay. So still there is a display fire at zone 2. Even we reset the loop or the zone line, still there is an indication here that fire alarm is still there, but actually the zone is normal because it needs we need to push the reset button. Alright, so that's it. Now we'll try to simulate also the zone 1 through this timer resistor. Yeah, okay, you can see here fire alarm at zone 1, and I will be receiving text message. Here we go. Zone 1, alarm at zone 1. Then the relay also is energizing. I will be receiving constantly message from fire alarm at zone 1. So again, it will not be gone or through reset. It has to be normalized first. Now we'll try to normalize it. So maybe this one, yeah, and text messages will be gone. Now we'll try to simulate the faults, line faults. Say there is a breakage in the line, or maybe some open or defective input devices. So we will simulate it through this just DC. We'll just turn off the supply of the loop. Yeah, fault at zone 2 because that loop is connected to zone 2. Now this is the indicator also is lit, and now I'm receiving a fault at zone 2. If we try to reset it, still the display is fault at zone 2. Then we will normalize this power supply. Still there is a indication, but now we'll try to zone 1. So I will decrease the current at zone 1 below threshold. Yeah, zone 1. Then alarm. Okay, zone 1. Now what if both zones are having fault? So say I will turn off the power supply. So zone 2 expected now. Zone 2, then I will be receiving later on a full zone 1 and 2. Yeah, now I get the message. So it will be there. Then I will normalize again. Normalize. Sorry. Okay, that's it. Yeah. So this is for the actual cigarette, testing of heat detector and smoke detector, because we did test the push button. Now we will proceed to the simulation of the detectors. So I'll be using a cigarette lighter for the heat. I'll try. Now the display is normal. So try. So it will be like, yeah, this one. So I got now alarm at zone 2. Yeah. So again, yeah, again I get the message. Okay, so that's it. Now for the smoke detector, I have a smoke here, so we'll try to simulate it. Hope it detects. Here, so I will be able to receive text message later on. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Now how to reset it? I will remove the power supply, or just remove it there, the detector. Okay, then reset. Okay, that's it. All right, that's all. Okay, now we will try the sounder, just a few seconds, just to see the functionality of the sounder. So I will simulate here zone 1. Yeah, okay, that's it. That's it. Just too loud. Okay, thank you.